Welcome back to another math lesson with me, Mr. Duclos. Today, our objective is to use measurement tools to convert mixed number measurements to smaller units. This is going to combine some of the different things we've learned this year. So let's jump on in and have some fun. So what I have here are 4 different problems. What is 1.5 feet in inches, 1/3 feet in inches, 3/4 of a foot in inches, and 4/6 of a foot in inches. What we need to know here is how fractions are going to relate to our conversion. And the key is we need to know that 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. So wherever I have feet, I can take that out and think of 12 inches. So now we think 1/2 of 12 inches. 1/3 of 12 inches. 3/4 of 12 inches. 4/6 of 12 inches. And now I can just do the conversions using my knowledge of fractions. So if I have 1/2 of 12, 1/2 of 12. So that means I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 12. So I have 12, but only 1/2 of it. So if I color in 1/2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 inches. So 1/2 of a foot is 6 inches. Now let's look at 1/3. Well, 1/3 of 12. 1/3 of 12. If you know your math facts and you've been working with your fractions, you'll know that 12 can be broken into 4, 4, and 4. So each third is 4 inches. So our answer is 4 inches. 3/4 of 12 inches. Same thing. If I have 12, breaks out into 3 4 times, right? 3, 6, 9, 12. That's 4. And if I have 3 out of 4, I have 3, 6, 9 inches. And then lastly, 4 out of 6 feet. 4 out of 6, or 4/6 of 1 foot, sorry. 4/6 of a foot. So again, we have 12 inches. 12 could be broken down into 6 and 6. And I have 4/6. So 4 and 4 is 8. 4/6 would give us 8 inches. Now let's try to do some more of these with a little more sophistication and practice some of our independent work problems. So behind me here we have 2 problems from your independent work that we're going to do together, and then you're going to finish the rest on your own. The first one asks us to convert 2/3 yards into feet. I chose this one because there's another problem on your worksheet that has yards in it. And if you don't remember yards, I wanted to give you a quick reminder. So, 1 yard, let's see, we'll do it right here. 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. So, if I have 2/3 of a yard, that means I have 2 out of 3 feet, right? 2 out of 3 feet would be the same thing as 2/3. So I have 2 feet. The other problem's a little trickier, but not that much more so. The key is that you're going to have to remember that 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. Our next problem is a little trickier, and it says 6 1/4 feet into inches. So what do I have to do here? First thing I have to do is I have to take my 6 feet and I have to multiply that by 12. So 6 times, let's write it a little easier. We have 12 times 6. It's always easier to have this smaller number on the bottom. 6 times 2 is 12. Carry the 1. 6 times 1, 70. 72. Sorry about that. 6 times 12 gives us 72. And then we still have, though, that 1/4 remaining. And 1/4, if we break 12 out, would be 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 6, 9, 12. 72 plus 3, 75 inches. Now I know that was a little wacky, so I'm going to do it again really quickly. What I had was I had 6 feet and 1/4 of a foot, and I converted it into 75 inches. How did I do that? I did 12 times 6, which gave me 72, and then 1/4 of a foot I found out was equal to 3 inches, and I added that on. That's going to end our lesson. It's now time for you to go finish your independent work, and then have a great day.